Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what you need and picking priorities. This prevents wasted time. Use 3 colors so you can instantly identify concepts, formulas, and quick facts. Once done, label an index sheet with color codes and section names so you can track progress. Begin with one topic. Write a single idea per note and include a trigger word plus a one-line explanation. Keep notes concise. This forces retrieval practice and makes review fast, so you study smarter, not longer. Now you assemble notes into meaningful groups so recall becomes associative. For each note, write the term, a one-line definition, and a tiny example. That 3-part format cues memory. Once grouped, stack 5-10 related notes and label the stack with a header note that summarizes the cluster. Make sure to connect related stacks with arrows or symbols so you see relationships at a glance. Practice active recall by covering explanations and testing yourself. Spacing these short sessions increases retention. Finish by turning your notes into a repeatable review loop so learning sticks. Start 20-30-minute cycles. Review a stack, self-test without looking, then shuffle and repeat. This spacing reveals weak items. Once a note is consistently easy, move it to a mastered pile to save time. If something stays confusing, rewrite the note with a clearer trigger, add a mnemonic, or teach it aloud to yourself. That troubleshooting step fixes fuzzy understanding quickly and prevents waste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.